A dead satellite tricked astronomers into thinking that they had found the most extreme object you can find in the universe before things turn into a black hole. I think that might be one of the most absurd things that has ever come out of my mouth, but it's true and it's actually a very big problem. So in June of 2024, astronomers picked up a very strange radio signal that for about a millisecond outshined literally everything else in the sky. They thought it was a fast radio burst, which is an extremely powerful explosion of radio waves that lasts about a millisecond. We don't really understand where these come from or how they happen, but we think they come from something called a magnetar, which, as I said at the beginning, is the most extreme thing you can get in the universe before things turn into a black hole. But because this telescope image of the event is blurry, astronomers knew that it was actually coming from something much closer to Earth than a magnetar, and thus it probably was not a fast radio burst. Think of it like a camera. This telescope is looking very far away, but the subject was close, so it was out of focus. Turns out it was this satellite that NASA launched in 1964. This is Relay 2. It's an experimental communication satellite that literally has been dead for decades. Fun fact, its predecessor, Relay 1, is actually what broadcasted the 1964 Tokyo Olympics. Now, the satellite did not just wake up from the dead. No, so space is actually not empty like a lot of people think. It's actually full of really highly charged particles. Over time, what they think happened is they built up on the metal shell of this satellite, and then there was a huge electrostatic discharge event. It's kind of like if you rub your feet on the carpet or a balloon on your head and then you zap someone, that, but in space. And the reason this is such a big problem is that astronomers spent a ton of time and effort and resources trying to figure out if they had found something really unique. And it turns out it was literally just a piece of junk in space. And there is a lot of junk in space, and it's only getting worse, which is not only a problem for the things that are in space, but is a problem for astronomical observations, and we really need to deal with it.